good, YouTube? Alex here. Today, the reason I'm here and the reason you clicked on this video is because I have a sneaker unboxing from the SNKRS app. Dude, I'm so excited. Like, I have not been this excited to unbox a pair of shoes in a long time. So today is Tuesday. If you know what came out this past Saturday, I was lucky enough to get them. So I'm tired of waiting. So I'm cracking this box open right now. But yeah, these shoes, I am extremely excited to be able to get a pair. Not many people did, so because these sold out on SNKRS app in 1 minute. This is the first time I've ever gotten through on SNKRS, so I'm glad it was this one. I don't care if I ever get another one, just as long as I have these, I'm cool. So yeah, if you couldn't guess already, this box, that might give it away. Does it give it away? I think it gives it away. So let's go ahead and crack these bad boys open. Dude, I don't know if I'm ready. Like, oh my god. Make sure we got everything. Yep. Set that down there. We have the pink Nike box. Got the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro OG Quick Strike, black, chrome, and black. Size 14. My size right there. And now's the moment of truth. Yo, I'm ready, man. This is... Here goes nothing. Oh man. Oh my god, they're freezing cold. But here we have it. The Nike SB Black Diamond Dunk Low. Oh man, it feels so good to hold these. Oh my god. This is amazing. Dude, yo, this is the most excited you'll ever see me, I promise. Unless I get the actual Tiffany's, this is the second best. But dude, oh my god, these are fire. Yo, they are right here. Let's check it out. Ooh, that Velcro. Leave a little bit of that diamond blue exposed for you. But just a little overview. Mostly black. You heard. It's got the Velcro swoosh. Nike on the back. Flip it up. And you got, it's a hard flip up. I thought it was easier than that. You got diamond right there. Of course, you got the diamond Nike SB on the tongue. I do believe this is almost the exact same patch for the tongue that's used on the original Tiffany's. Black outsole, white midsole. Oh, these are, oh my god. Let me check the other pair out. Oh yes, the diamond blue laces. That is most likely what I'm gonna be popping in these bad boys. Because if you can't tell, I am a huge diamond fan. Go back through my channel if this is your first time viewing one of my videos, and you'll see diamond. Diamond is literally the brand that got me into like everything that I'm into now. I'm a huge diamond fan. No joke, I probably have 40, maybe 50, 60 diamond shirts. Shoes, I've got like 6 pairs of just diamond branded shoes. This is my first pair of diamond SBs, and it will not be my last because I'm on the hunt for the white pair. But dude, I'm just so excited to have these. Oh man, these are nice. But if you want to see a more detailed review, stay tuned because that video is going to come up shortly after this one is uploaded. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a detailed review on these. I'm going to give you some nice high quality shots. And yeah, man, whew, I'm just so hyped to have these. Let me know if you were lucky enough to get a pair. They sold out in literally 1 minute. I don't know how many size 14s were available, but the kid was lucky. I was very lucky this time. And shout out Nicky Diamonds, man. You're a huge inspiration to me, and I'm finally glad I was able to have one of your Nike SB collabs. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna start filming the review right after this. give you guys some detailed shots. I'm gonna throw them on feet, and yeah, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you're new, leave a like, let me know if you copped a pair of the blacks or the whites or both, or if you're one of the luckies to get a canary yellow. I don't know, if you're watching and you have those, congrats. But yeah, let me know if you picked up any of the 3 pairs they released in the past week or so. So yeah, that's it, man. I'm gonna take my shoes, do a nice little review on them, and I can't wait to toss these on feet. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna get out of here, start shooting the review. Stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you next time, YouTube. Thanks. Peace.